This is my honest review of Rain-X Latitude Water Repellency 28-inch windshield wiper. It is going on my Ford Escape, and I'll give you a little insight on installing it. One thing to always remember once you get it installed is, see that little yellow strip there? A lot of people forget to take that off. That is actually just protecting the rubber strip. Just flip your wiper arm up, and for application on the Ford Escape, I have to take that black outer casing off. So you just pry it off and slide it off. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so just pry that off like that. Take this little blue part off, and then there's your final product. It just slides in there just like that. This is our second or third pair of these. They work great. You know, the reason we're buying another pair is we had an ice storm and it knocked off our last pair. Go out and get yourself some Rain-X Latitude water repellency windshield wipers.